Alright, here goes the Silverado truck. I mean, you could say Custom Deluxe or C10 or Silverado. I got both emblems. On the title it say C10 though. And these are Pacer Rallies. You can see it on there. You got your shaved headlights. You got your... I got the chrome piece to go on the tailgate. You got your dual exhaust. Body in good condition. Just need a few patches on the driver's side. You got this. All lights work. Grill in good condition. You don't catch too many with a grill like that. All the glass is good. My bad, I covered the screen, but all the glass is good. Interior right now, I'm working on patching up the dash so it look brand new. Replace this. This is brand new right here. The gas hand work, speedometer work. These are new speakers. Them $200 speakers in there. $129. Then you got your truck box. That's a $70 truck box. Probably cost more in the store. Bolted down so you can't take it. And right now you don't want to really see the bed, but it's clean. Those are my tools. It don't come with it. Got that. Then we got here we got, these are $100 hoses right here. Everything Edelbrock on the top there. Let you see everything. Edelbrock carburetor. Got a little gas in there. You see it's wired for B. Got you a nice 4-gauge wire, not expensive. Got the hoses for the heat. Does leak when I hook it up. I think I got the wrong hoses on there. Brand new power steering belts. New radiator. You see competition cam under the distributor farm. Brakes do need to be bleached. I don't feel like doing it. They work though. I got a little box there run to the carburetor. I hooked that up. Didn't come hooked up. Brand new frame. Oil filter under there. Headers. That'll pop. Everything's that even comes with the original phone. But if you want it, you want it. If you don't, somebody might buy it. But this is a good truck for the price.